Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SAP Analytics Cloud Learning Series, and today I have come up with a new topic related to story design only. It's an easy topic, but it is mostly asked in the interviews and in the blogs also. You might have heard about this somewhere in about SSC, like linked analysis in SSC. In many interview questions, sometimes it is asked like what is linked analysis in SSC. So it's nothing but a feature that allows the widgets like might be chart, tables, etc. Within the same story or a page to interact with each other. What do you mean by interact with each other is like if for a one widget you filter on something, then the other widget automatically filters on that value. So this is nothing but the interaction between the two widgets. Now, by configuring the linked analysis, a filter or a drill down action on one widget can automatically update or filter the data in the other linked widget. Okay. So this creates, a dynamic and cohesive user experience. And by default, when you create any story and you create different pages, you add widgets. These widgets are not linked to each other, okay, by default. We have to enable it via linked analysis. Okay, so this is what linked analysis in SAC is. Now I'll explain you a user scenario. So this is a story I created. I'm showing normal KPIs, some KPIs on top. Then I have a table where I'm displaying, product data year wise. What are the different figures like gross margin, prices, quantity sold. Then I have a other widget that is a chart which is showing the gross margin per year. Okay, this is my first page. And in the second page, uh, I'm showing some store related data like which store, who was the sales manager, and all the profit, revenue, and what was the COGS for that. And a store related geo map. Like if I drill down like from United States, then for each store in each you can say state, how many stores were there. So that drill down for a geo map. Now we will see how we can use linked analysis with this. Okay, so now for the first page, what I want is when I click on any year, suppose, and I filter this, then all other widgets should be only showing the data for 2020-14. Currently I filtered, but nothing happened. Like all other widgets are still showing the other year data. So this we will achieve via linked analysis. And as you see for this widget, when I filter on 2014, only this widget was updated, nothing else changed. I'll go to the story in the edit mode. In the first page, now this is the widget which will be my source widget, which will where I will select a filter, and the other widgets will be the target widgets which will change or affect where the filter will be applied. So you apply the linked analysis on the source widget. uh, Obviously three dots, more actions, more options. In that you will select linked analysis and settings. Okay, then here there is a setting option will be open where there are four options of one of which you will select. By default, when you create any widget, the first option is by default it is selected, like only this widget. Like filter interactions apply to only this widget. That means when you apply any filter on this widget, only this widget will change, or only this widget is affected. Now you, for enabling a linked analysis, you must select the other three options, any one of them. Now first I will go with this all widgets in the story. By default the settings, okay, cascading effect also I will select. Now all widgets in the story means for this particular story linked analysis, there might be number of pages, the number of 5 pages, 6 pages on particular on that page, and there are like different widgets. All that widgets will be filtered. Okay, so let's go with this option first, apply. I must save the story. Now go to view mode. So now I'm on a first page. Now, suppose I select this 2016. I click on filter. When I click this, all other widgets, they are showing only data for 2016. Now I go to the location also page. Here also, it will show only data related to 2016. So this is nothing but when you select that option, all widgets in the story. Okay, now we will go back and I'll go to the LinkedIn option, the linked analysis settings again. Now I will go to the other option, that is all widgets on the page. All widgets on the page, by name, it's clear that all the widgets on that particular products page will be affected. And I will also enable filter on the data point selection. Please enable this because this is very interactive, when you select this. So even if you click on any bar of that chart, automatically the filter will be in effect. I'll go to the view mode. Okay. Now if I select 2014, even if I click on that bar, all other widgets on this page are only showing 2014. Okay. And I click on that widget again, all year will be selected. Now I click on 2016, all other widgets are updated for the 2016. I click on the widget, it is back. All years are selected. I click on 2015 bar. Now all others are filtered and only showing data for 2015. You just click on the chart again, it will resume back to the original. Okay. Now I'll go back to the other location page as we changed it, you know. So now here it is showing all year data because we selected the setting like only widgets on this page. So other pages are not affected. Now I'll go back to this setting again. Linked analysis settings. I selected this or this. Okay, so all widgets on the page. Now I will go for the last option, that is on only selected widgets. Only selected widgets means the widgets that you select manually, only those will be affected. Now, when I select a year, I want only this table should be filtered, not my all, top KPIs. Okay. Then I will select this. It will show by like the page and the number of widgets on that. Now I will select only the table. All other KPIs I don't want to be affected. And there is a one more setting, okay, automatically connect new created widget. So now apart from this, suppose I create one more chart in this page, then it will be automatically added. I don't want that. I only want a table. And if any new widget is added, I will manually add it if I want to. Okay, so I'll disable this. Obviously, filter on data point selection is a must. Apply, save. Now again go to view mode. Okay, so if I click on 2014, only my table is affected now. My only table will be filtered for 2014. All the KPIs are not affected. So this is a good option, only selected widget. Like if you have a page where you are showing some data, the totals and everything, you don't want it should, the KPI should not be affected. Then you can select the third option, only selected widget, and you can add manually the widget where this interaction should happen. So this is nothing but a linked analysis. You can apply on geo maps, on tables and on charts, and you can handle the interaction like this. Now I'll show you if you don't enable that setting which I said it is must. This filter on data point selection. Suppose I disable this, I apply, I save this, again go on view mode. Okay, now suppose I click on 14. Earlier, whenever you click, automatically it was getting changed. It was very interactive. Now I have to click on this filter, then the table changes. So this setting is very important. So filter on, data points, linked analysis settings. You like whenever you want to configure linked analysis, please enable this, filter on data point selection only. Because with this, what happens, even you click on that any bar of that chart, automatically the table will change. You don't have to, manually click on the filter. Like you will see the difference in the interactivity. Like I'll just click on this bar, the table is affected. I don't have to filter it. So this looks more interactive for a user, like they can, select any data point and click on it. Automatically the other widget is changed. So this is linked analysis in SAC. Uh, you can check the linked analysis, the settings. Also, it gives you a diagram view also. In this diagram view, you will understand, okay, chart 3 is the source, and when you change the filter on it, the table is changed. Then you can add more widgets on it. Like if that widget value is changed, then the table will change. And then you right click on it, then manage linked widgets. You will see the diagram. Okay, what is the source widget, then what is the target widget, and what are the additional settings. So okay, I'll show you now this. I'll go to the again linked analysis settings. I change it to all widgets in a story, apply, save, and now we will see, the diagram view. You will see, you will understand, okay, this chart 3, I'll just, the how many other different charts are other widgets are linked to this. And again, right click, manage link widgets, and you will see how many, target widgets are there. You can add more target widgets, or you can remove the existing target widgets, like select it and I guess delete this doesn't work. Then you can manually go and select that only selected widget, then this will work. So this is linked analysis in SAC. I hope you like this content. If you like, if you're liking this and you found this very interesting and very helpful to you, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you.